In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this super checkerboard pattern on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Check out my other videos showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, a 3x3, a 4x4, and even a 5x5. So to do this pattern, you do need to start with a solved Rubik's Cube, so you need to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube or have a solved Rubik's Cube, and you need to know how to use algorithms on a Rubik's Cube too. If you don't already know how to use algorithms, then check out my 3x3 tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So as well as a normal algorithm letters, F, B, L, R, etc., sometimes you do need to use a few extra letters for these middle rows. For example, this middle row here, we will give the letter M for middle, and that would be MI. For this row here, we give the letter E, and the E is for equator, and that way would be E, that way would be EI inverse. And for this one here, this side one, we give the letter S, and that would be S, and that would be SI. So to do this pattern, we need to use an algorithm. Well, actually, for this one, we're going to use two algorithms. The first algorithm is the advanced checkerboard pattern algorithm that we learned in the last video, and that is the F, B2, RI, D2, B, R, U, DI, R, LI, DI, FI, R2, D, F2, BI. So let's just start first then. We go F, B2, RI, D2, B, R, U, DI, R, LI, DI, FI, R2, D, F2, BI. And that gives us this advanced checkerboard pattern. And then the second algorithm we're going to use is just the standard checkerboard pattern, the S2, M2, E2. So let's do that. We go S2, M2, E2. And that gives us this super checkerboard pattern. So to undo this pattern and put us back to a solved Rubik's Cube, we're going to use the same two algorithms again, except we're going to use the standard checkerboard pattern algorithm first, the S2, M2, E2. And we could do that starting from any face as a front face. So let's just do that first. We go S2, M2, E2. Now that has put us back to the advanced checkerboard pattern that we learnt previously. And we undo this the same way we undid it before. We want these three faces, the front, the top, and the right face, containing the same three colours. For example, not like this, not like this. If it was these colours, this would be okay. If it was these three colours, you want one on the front, one on the top, one on the right, it doesn't matter which. And then just repeat the same algorithm for the advanced checkerboard pattern 2 more times. So let's do that then. We go F, B, 2, RI, D, 2, B, R, U, DI, R, LI, DI, FI, R2, D, F2, BI. And we've still got the same pattern, but the colours have rotated, so we've done it right so far. And repeat it one more time. F, B, 2, RI, D, 2, B, R, U, DI, R, LI, DI, FI, R2, D, F2, BI. And that puts us back to a completed Rubik's Cube. Hope it helped, guys, and thanks for watching. For more Rubik's Cube patterns, check out my other videos. And also, if you know of any other Rubik's Cube patterns that you'd like me to make a video of, then feel free to leave a comment in the comment section with the algorithm, and maybe I'll make a video of that in the future. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.